Okay, stand up, Junaid. Tell me.
It is a medium of exchange.
Okay, sit down. So, it's a medium of
Exchange.
As we all know, for daily needs, we have to buy things. We have to buy things which are needed for our daily basis. So, for that, we use money. What we use for that?
Money.
We can exchange things with the help of
Money.
Suppose we have to go to the market for buying clothes. What we have to buy? Clothes. In exchange of clothes, what we have to give to the shopkeeper?
Money.
What we have to give the shopkeeper?
Money.
And money, it is in the form of currency. It is in the form of
Currency.
Money is in the form of
Currency.
currency. As we all know, we live in India.
India.
We live in
India.
We live in
India.
So our currency is in rupees. Our currency is in
Rupees.
So its symbol is like this. This is the symbol of rupees.
Rupees.
This is the symbol of
Rupees.
This is the symbol of
Rupees.
So Indian currency is in the form of rupees and paisa. Indian currency is in the form of rupees and
Paisa.
And the symbol of rupees is this. And this we can write paisa as P. This denotes the sign of paisa.
Paisa.
This P denotes the sign of
Paisa.
Now we have two types of currency. We have two types of currency. We have two types of
Currency.
One is coins and the other is notes. Can anyone tell me what are coins? Okay, I'll tell you. Coins are the money which are in the form of metal. So coins are also known as metallic money. What's the other name of coins? What's the other name of coins? And the other are notes, which are in the form of paper. We can also tell notes that they are paper.
Money.
Shabash. Paper. Now, what are coins? These are called metallic
Money.
And what are notes? Clear? Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss different denominations. Of money. Firstly, we'll come on the coins. Firstly, we'll discuss the
Coins.
Mahmood, please come forward and hold the chart. We'll discuss the coins. So we will discuss the different denomination of Indian currency or coins. Firstly, we have 5 paisa here. Then we have 10 paisa. We have 20 paisa, 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and we also have 10 rupee coin. These are the different denominations of metallic money. So here we have 5 paisa, we have 10 paisa, we have 20 paisa, we have 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees coin. These are all the metallic money. But in this time we are not using 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa and 50 paisa. We are currently using these denominations, that is 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. And these are the denominations of
Money.
which kind of money?
Metallic.
Which kind of money?
Money.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have everyone understood about the metallic money?
Yes, ma'am.
Different denominations of metallic money?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will discuss paper money. Farhan, come forward and hold the chart. These are the different denominations of paper money. These are the different denominations of
Money.
what kind of money?
Paper money.
What kind of money?
Paper money.
We can also call paper money as
Notes.
we are also calling them as
Notes.
notes. So here are the different denominations. You can see we have 500, we have 200, we have 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees. We also have on another chart 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and the previous 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 and 2000. And these are the different denominations of paper
Money.
These are the different denominations of
Paper money.
exactly. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood the difference between paper money and metallic money?
Yes, ma'am.
एक दो बार ऐसे करो ना हाथ को. Students, do you know that in 1 rupee there are 100 paisa? In 1 rupee we have
100 pesos.
1 rupee. There are
100 pesos.
paisa. So 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa?
100 pesos.
2 rupees is equal to how many paisa?
200.
5 rupee is equal to
500 pesos.
10 rupee is equal to
1000 pesos.
20 rupees is equal to
2000 pesos.
very good. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll ask you some questions regarding money. So who is going to answer my first question? Afam, get up. Can you tell me how many coins are there in 15 rupees?
1500.
Exactly 1000.
500.
Sit down, class. Now for the second question. Anzal, please get up and come forward. I'll ask you question. Okay? How much money do you have if you have 4 10 rupee notes?
40 rupees.
Exactly, class. For another question, I would like to call Khalid. Come forward, hold the marker and tell me what the symbolic form of 1 rupee. Only 1 rupee. Small. Fine. Should I? 67 rupees. Okay. 53 paisa. Very good. Claps for him. For the next question, Junad, stand up. I'm going to ask you a question. What will be the amount if we combine, listen carefully, what will be the amount if we combine 10 rupee note and 2 rupee coin?
12 rupees.
Exactly. Claps for him. So students, this was all about money.